The Malaysian Handphone Owners Association, PERBIT, has voiced its objection to the proposed 6% service tax to be charged to every mobile phone user. Its president, Muhammad Ali Ibrahim, feels the parties, PERBIT, the telcos and the regulator should sit down to find ways not to burden the consumers, who he believes are already burdened with the high cost of living.
PERBIT bukan ditubuhkan untuk mencempian ataupun menjuarakan isu 6% saja. Tapi PERBIT ditubuhkan untuk satu hasrat di mana kami rasa aduan-aduan dari rakyat harus diambil iktibar.
PERBIT also started a petition for mobile phone users to go against the 6% service tax. To date, they have 100,000 signatures and they are aiming for 10 million signatures in 6 months.